Hey, did you know? Hey, did you know it's that first step that's the hardest? I'm talking about taking that first step out of your comfort zone. I'm talking about health. A lot of you have been saying, I need to work out, lose some weight, get my strength back, get my health back, take care of this body, your temple. Yes, your temple. You've been given one body, take care of it. See, if your car is broken down, it can't move. If your body is not working right, it's going to limit yourself from fulfilling your purpose in life. So take that first step. Yes, it's going to be difficult. It's not going to be easy. That second step, it's not going to be easy either. But they say if you do something 21 days straight, it becomes a habit. So I encourage you for the next 21 days, step out of your comfort zone. Maybe it's taking a walk around the neighborhood, getting some stretchy bands, working out at the house, running, going to the gym. Put some time away for you. You know what? Yes, it's not selfishness to take care of your body. It's not selfishness to take care of you, put you priority. Like I said, you have been given one body. Take care of it. So, for the next 21 days, step out of your comfort zone. Do something. Let it become a hobby. Let it become a habit. Take care of you.